You may not be knowing this, but our entire team has one mandate only, that either we should work to get our startups business or access to funding opportunities.
We are applying for a lot of funds and grants on your behalf. When T-Works get access to these grants, we can actually disperse it to the startups that are working out of here and who are working in manufacturing field.
Thanks to T-Works, I think we've launched one of our beautiful products, and we are launching another product as well. So that's the reason I was here today.
They can clearly see that the entire team is here to enable us, help us in whatever way possible.